So we've got another transformations video here, and we can see that both transformations are taking place inside my bracket. So the first thing I'm going to do before I even think about what sort of thing this transformation is doing is factor out my bracket. So I'm going to make this is going to be f. I'm going to make gx equal to f, and I'm going to just take that 2 outside, so it has to be 2x, and this has to be minus 2. Now what's happening here is that this 2 here, that's doing a dilation horizontally by not 2, but by half. And the other 2, this negative 2 here, that's doing a translation, again horizontally, by, now not negative 2, but 2. So all my coordinates are happening in the x are changing. So I'm going to go back and look at the ends of the line, and the ends of the line have coordinates -8, -5. They have the coordinate -4, -5, 0, -1, and 8, -1. So I'm going to dilate it by a half. That means I'm going to multiply it by a half to get it to -4, and then I'm going to add on 2, so it becomes -2. The y coordinate, that doesn't change. So -4, times it by a half to get it to -2, add 2 goes to 0. Y coordinate doesn't change. 0 times 0 by a half and it stays as 0. Then translate it by 2, so it goes 2. -1 for y doesn't change. 8, translate it by, or dilate it horizontally by half, so it becomes 4. Add 2, 6, y doesn't change. Now we're ready to plot those. -2, 5. -2 minus 5 is here. 0 minus 5 is here. 2 minus 1 is here. And 6 minus 1 is here. Now let's just draw those lines together. Points together like that. Now what we've got here, we can see clearly that the horizontal, or the vertical, hasn't changed. It's still 4. And it's still 4 here. But whereas this was 4 units, now it's 2 units. So we've halved it. Whereas this was 8 units before, it's now 4 units. So we can see clearly that horizontal dilation. And then, of course, I've got a little translation on there as well. So I'm just going to take that off. And there we are. There's our horizontal transformations.